Today, we are going behind the factory curtain to meet the real titans of manufacturing. These are the machines that build pretty much everything in our world, from the car you're driving to the phone you're holding. So let's dive right in. So get this, a single industrial robot can perform over 100,000 perfect welds without making a single mistake. It just keeps going 24/7, no breaks, no coffee, nothing. And we're not just talking about one robot. As we speak, there are over 4 million of these industrial robots working on factory floors all over the world. It's like a silent, tireless army that is literally building our modern world. I mean, just look at the incredible variety of these machines. And that's exactly what we're here to do. We're going to count down the 10 essential types of industrial robots that are the absolute backbone of all modern manufacturing. All right, it's time to kick off our countdown of the 10 titans of manufacturing. These are the machines that build just about everything you own, and we are starting with the one you've definitely seen before. Kicking us off at number 1, the Welding Robot. Yeah, if you've ever seen a video from inside a car factory, you've seen this machine. It is the king of the assembly line. But here's the jaw-dropping part. This robot works inside a cloud of toxic fumes and scorching heat from molten metal. You know, conditions that would be instantly fatal for any person. And it just does its job with perfect precision all day, every day. Okay, at number 2, we've got the 6-axis articulated robot. You can think of this one as the Swiss Army knife of the factory floor. It has 6 joints, which gives it this incredible human-like range of motion, but with absolutely superhuman strength. And check out this range. One version of this robot can handle a tiny 3-kilogram computer chip, while another can lift a 2,300-kilogram component. That's heavier than a car, and it places it with millimeter accuracy. Just wild. Coming in hot at number 3 is the SCARA Robot. Now, if the 6-axis was the jack of all trades, the SCARA is a specialist. It's built for one thing and one thing only: pure, blistering speed. This thing dominates the world of electronics assembly. And the truly insane part? It can pick and place thousands of microscopic components onto circuit boards every single hour, and it does it with absolutely zero room for error. So, speed is amazing, but what if you need to lift something that weighs even more than a car? Well, for that, you have to scale up way, way up. Let me introduce you to number 4, the Cartesian or Gantry Robot. This is the undisputed heavyweight champion of the factory. See, it doesn't have rotating joints. It just moves in perfectly straight lines on an X, Y, and Z axis. And that's the key to its power, because these things can be built big enough to span an entire factory floor, lifting loads up to 5,000 kilograms. That's like lifting 2 SUVs at once and moving them with perfect, repeatable accuracy. Okay, so from pure power, we're flipping back to pure speed. At number 5, it's the Delta Robot. With its really unique kind of spider-like design, this machine literally has the fastest hands in manufacturing. You'll find it hovering over conveyor belts, especially in food and pharma plants. And its defining feature? It moves so fast it's a literal blur to our eyes, picking and placing over 150 items every single minute. At number 6 is the Palletizing Robot. You know, this might be the unsung hero at the end of every production line. Its job sounds simple, but it's absolutely brutal. Stack heavy boxes and bags onto pallets for shipping. And it just never stops. Some of these can lift and stack over 1,000 kilograms at a time, building these perfect, interlocking pallets all day and all night without ever needing a rest. Okay, now wait till you hear about number 7. This is probably the one that most people have never ever heard of, but honestly, it might be one of the most critical robots on the entire factory floor. Number 7 is the Painting Robot, the hidden perfectionist. So what's its secret? Well, its entire body is completely explosion-proof. Now think about that. This allows it to work inside paint booths filled with clouds of highly flammable, highly toxic fumes, and apply a flawless, atomized coat of paint that no human could ever replicate at scale. It's a lifesaver, literally. Next up, number 8, the CNC Machine Tending Robot. This robot tackles one of the most repetitive, mind-numbing, and injury-prone jobs there is: loading heavy metal parts into and out of machines. But the truly crucial thing here is what it does for productivity. A single one of these robots can tend multiple machines at once, and it can single-handedly turn a factory from a normal 8-hour shift into a nonstop 24/7 production powerhouse. All right, number 9 is where things start to feel like science fiction. This is the laser cutting robot. It takes the flexibility of that 6-axis arm we talked about and combines it with the focused power of a high-intensity laser. And its most incredible trick? It can slice complex 3D shapes out of solid steel with micron-level accuracy. That's a task that would normally take a whole team of human specialists and a bunch of different machines. And finally, rounding out our list at number 10, we have the press-tending robot. This is the muscle, and really the guardian of the metal stamping line. Its whole purpose is to feed sheets of metal into these massive, multi-ton hydraulic presses, which is easily one of the most dangerous jobs in any factory. It works in perfect, high-speed sync with that crushing force, keeping human hands safely out of harm's way. So there you have it, 10 incredible machines. But let me ask you, what's the one thing that connects all of them? I mean, what's the core idea that links the welder, the painter, and that heavyweight gantry robot? Well, the answer is actually pretty simple. Every single one of them exists to overcome the physical limitations of human biology. You know, a person gets tired after 8 hours. A robot can work for 8 years. A person is vulnerable to injury or toxic fumes. A robot is designed for those hazardous conditions. The main takeaway is that wherever speed or endurance or precision or safety becomes a problem for a human worker, an industrial robot is engineered to completely shatter that limit. And when you take that idea to its ultimate conclusion, you get this concept: lights out manufacturing. And this isn't science fiction anymore. We're talking about entire factories running at full capacity, around the clock, with zero human presence on the floor. It's all made possible by the 10 types of robots we've just looked at. But you know what? The story does not end here. The next chapter in robotics is already being written as we speak, and it is moving faster than ever before. I mean, we're seeing the rise of AI-powered robots that can actually learn new tasks without being reprogrammed. We're seeing collaborative robots designed to work safely right next to people. And we're seeing entire fleets of 5G-connected machines that can be managed from the cloud, all simulated with these perfect digital twins. The evolution is just constant. So, if you take just one thing away from all of this, let it be this: 10 robots, 1 mission. Never stop, never tire, never make the same mistake twice.
I'm Synera, and I just want to say a huge thank you to every single one of you for spending your time with us today. It genuinely means the world. If you enjoyed this, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss what we put out next. We've got so much more coming your way, and I can't wait to share it with you. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next one.